Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope your day's going well so far. We are back shopping at HomeGoods, and we're going to see what we could find this week. And of course, with spring here, there's a lot of faux plants. But if you don't have a green thumb, but you want to look like you have a green thumb, definitely check these out. Now, they do come with a price. Like this one, the hyacinth, $50, but you don't ever have to worry about watering it. And there's some pretty items here. Oh, I like this little bird bath. Is that $90? Oh, it is. So it's a little pricey for a bird bath. Oh, I love those hydrangeas back here. Those are beautiful. That's a really pretty arrangement. Now, with Easter coming up, there's a lot of fun crafts. And I know, like for us, we have spring break next month. And check out these macaron. Oh, okay, let me pick it up. It's macaron chalk. At first, I thought it was erasers, and I was thinking, oh, my daughter would have loved them. They're $5, so I'm just going to put them back because I know she would have loved them if they were erasers. She doesn't use the chalk anymore, but she still likes these. She likes making bracelets. But those are pretty, a nice variety. We have Easter cards as well. Lots of fun crafts. Crochet, embroidery, and painting, so definitely check those out. Oh, this is cute. I like the tassel. That's $7. We have a couple of different sizes. That would be really pretty. You could even put a gift inside. And then what do we have over here? Oh, let's say notepad. Oh, that's cute for spring. If I could find the price, of course, is every other side. The last side I looked at, $6. Oh, now these are adorable. And this is the bunny crackers. We usually see these for the holidays, so $10. And then 8 Easter egg hunt signs. Oh, I would have loved these. My daughter doesn't hunt for Easter eggs anymore. I kind of miss those days. It's been a couple of years. She still loves to receive an Easter basket with treats though. $13. Oh, these are cute. You can place those like underneath your plates. Use them like paper mats. Oh, those are adorable. And those are $6. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, they're starting to bring out some more boxes. But over here we have a book lover. Oh, now this is a great gift for anyone who loves books. Oh, that's $15, but I like it. It is something you don't see every day. But these boxes are so pretty. I have a couple like these that I've had for years. I love the bow. Kind of gives me an idea. Maybe I could add to them. And I have on my store old birthday cards and items like that. So that one is $8. Now for Easter, they have so many items out. And this is, ooh, shabby chic. So if you're wanting utensils already wrapped up, this is pretty. $10. It is a little bit on the pricier side, but it's done. And then there are egg-shaped plates for $5. I kind of like the blue. Oh, that's adorable for $4. The cocktail napkins. And then this one is in the shape of an egg. That one is $6, so it does cost a little bit more. Oh, I love the bunny blue toile. Oh, that is beautiful. $6. Oh, now these would go with it. That one is $4. And then right next to it, oh, if you're needing place cards, $24 for $4. That's not a bad price. And there's so much more over here. Oh, I like this. I like the bow and the box. This is great. These are guest napkins. $8. I don't need it, but I like looking at it. Ooh, stemless drinkware. And this is pretty. It's acrylic, so very lightweight. And for $12, and those are great for outside. And then also from Shabby Chic. And then we have our drinking glasses or party drinkware. It's a set of 6 for $8. Very lightweight. Oh, I like the fairy. Oh, that would look great in my yard. But the price, oh, you know the price is at the bottom. I'm not going to lift that up. Now, here's a good price placement. And the bird bath, that one is $60. I do like the fairy. But here's another bird bath for $25. Oh, now that's a good price. Or actually, it's more of a bird feeder. Now, this is more of a bird bath. That one is $30. See, I would love to have this in my yard, but I have cats, and they do kind of like go in the backyard with me, but I don't want any birds to get hurt. Oh, now looking at the dinnerware, this is so cute. You have your cup of tea, maybe a couple of sandwiches, maybe some scones, but that is such a pretty set, $8. And then over here, oh, I like these. So $7 for a set of 4. I always love little plates and little dip dishes like that. And especially my daughter, she loves little dishes. And then over here we have some more mugs. Oh, these are pretty. Those are $6. So lots of springtime items. And if you love the checkerboard look, $11. And I think it's Mackenzie Child has made it really popular, but that line is really expensive. I was always wondering if we would ever find it here at HomeGoods. Maybe one day. But the marble pieces, that one was $10. Okay, those are beautiful, heavy, but beautiful. And then we have the glassware. Oh, this is great for desserts. $5 each. So we have it in clear. And then this is more of a peach. Oh, this is pretty. I would love to have this set in purple. Oh, that would be great. But both of those are gorgeous. And then when it comes to our tablecloths, there are so many of them, and it almost changes every day. Oh, this is cute for Easter. So this is square, 70 by 70. That is a size I don't see very often. So definitely check out their tablecloths. I think they're reasonably priced. And then these are always so popular. And this is a little canister for $7. Oh, that's cute. So you can see we have the flowers, the bows, and then our swans. More bows. Oh, some cherries. So $7. They're all the same price. They have a lot of great canisters. I know I shared some last week as well. Now this is $7. You have a little spoon. Oh, this is cute. I'm not sure what I would place in here. Actually, salt would be great in that one. $3. I do have this one. I've had it for a couple of years now. And this is $6. I actually have my coffee in there. Very pretty. Ooh, I like this one. This one's kind of heavy. $6, but I like it. So they have so many different ones. And then they have some sets. I know we saw a couple last week. But there's so many in this little area. Oh, these are cute. It's a set of 2 for $8. Yeah, there's so much that you could do with these. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Well, that one definitely has a weight to it. $10. And you can see there's 3 different sizes. And then, of course, our towels for Easter. Oh, I like this one with the teacup. Now that one is, let's see, $8. And there's only 2. So you have the top and then you have this one behind it. It's not too bad of a price, especially for a towel that you're only going to use for a short period of time. Now, I actually do like these hand towels for $15. Oh, I like the roses. I've been looking for some with roses, so I'm going to pick that up. I'm going to get it for my guest bathroom. Now, they do have regular size towels, but this area, I was afraid if I brought one out, I'm just going to bring the whole display down, so unfortunately, I did not catch the price of that one. Now, Easter baskets, this one is $10. Oh, that's cute. And then over here, oh, this one's big. Check that one out. You could get a lot in that basket. $15. And this one's medium. So we have 3 different sizes. That one is $13. Oh, there's more over here. That one is $10. So if you're looking for some fun Easter baskets, definitely check those out. And lampshades. This makes me so excited because, for example, I have a lamp. I'm not in love with the shade anymore. I've had this lamp for so many years, even before I met my husband. That's how long I've had it. It's right here. So this is the old lampshade. I think I just got tired of it. But for $20, as we saw with the lampshade, I could make it new again. So it's definitely cheaper than buying a new lamp. Just change out the shade. And I like it. I'm going to see if my husband likes it, and then I'll take off the plastic. And then here it is during the day. I added some flowers right next to it. And I did take the plastic off. Kind of turn off the light. And it goes well with the walls because our walls are blue. And I like it. I just like the change. So if you have a lamp, maybe you're just tired of it, change out the lampshade. It really makes a difference. And I really like the style of it. Now here's a smaller one. That one is $13. And there's so many different sizes, so many different styles. So you just have to kind of go through them. And the thing with HomeGoods, you see something you like, pick it up. They have a 30-day return policy, but they can't guarantee it's going to be there next time you visit. These buffet, those lamps are beautiful for $80. See, I like this one. The shade is cute. A nice classic Victorian style. That one is $70. See, lamps are expensive. So if you could find a good shade, definitely switch it out. Now this one's cute. $22. Oh, I like these frames. I like all 3 frames. How much are these? They are made in Italy. $10. See, I kind of like this one right here. And that one is $17. And I like the smaller one too. And this one's $10. Very pretty. That's one thing about the store. Just keep walking around. Like, check out these books. Oh, these are massive. These are real books. I know there's a lot of faux books, but this is a real Louis Vuitton book. Oh, wow. All the fashion. And it is heavy. I'm trying to find a price for it. Okay. And here, the Chanel book, oh, $50. Okay. I could see why it is $50. So they have a lot of them. So definitely check these out if you have a favorite brand. Oh, these matches. These are always so popular. They get expensive on Amazon. So this one's $17. It's a lot less than Amazon. Lots of great candles always at HomeGoods. But I'm looking for a new frame. See, I kind of like this one. But double check. So it's $13. It's not a bad price. So it's an 8x10 with a mat. But the frame is actually pretty different. So you can see this frame. And then you can see the edges. Oh, that was pretty too. You could place your favorite art in there, maybe a personal photo. Now, if you're needing a set, this is a set of 3, especially if you have like a theme going on. That one is $35. It has the mats inside. So I'm loving these sets. And then the pillows, I know we saw this a couple of weeks ago. There's more new pillows. Oh, that was pretty. And that was $30. Oh, if you're looking for one with strawberries, it's $25. See, I'm afraid if I bring one out, I'm going to take all of them out with me. So you can see how deep it is. It's a nice long pillow. And I think these are for the indoors. We haven't seen our outdoor pillows yet, but they are coming. Oh, I like these baskets. This is a set of 2. How much are these? Okay, $20. That's actually a good price because I know these could get expensive. So it makes each one $10. They're a good size. Lots of little baskets, lots of shelving. I found more frames. See, I really like this one. It's $15. I just wish the inside is a 5x7. I would love that to be an 8x10. And then we found some lanterns. Now, there's no candles included, so you would have to add your own. But these are a good size. This one is $30. I wonder if this is weatherproof. You would think it would be. Now, check out this one. Oh, this one is huge. It's the size of a toddler. It's $50. And then we have these. Now, as soon as I touch them, you can feel these are indoor use only. Now, those do include the faux candle, and those are sold separately. Well, here is my little haul for today. Everyone, thank you so much again for coming along to HomeGoods with me today. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.